Welcome back, guys. So today I want to show you how to generate unlimited VO3 videos. So what do? I want you to go to the website business.gemini.google. This that you're seeing right here. So I'll come to business.gemini.google and it will bring you to this part of the website where you're going to submit your email. So what I want you to do now is to input an email. So I'm going to input my email address right now. So I'm going to input freedomsbelad1 at gmail.com. Yes. So I'm going to input this right now and I'm going to continue with email. So I'm going to continue with email right now. You'll get the next page which says sign up. So you're going to create an account or you sign in. So let's wait for this to get loaded. So this is me trying to sign into Gemini Enterprise, which is the Gemini business. So you're going to see something like this that says Gemini Enterprise. So I'm waiting for that to get loaded. And here you see try business edition at no cost for 30 days. And my first name and last name is right here. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to agree and get started. So I'm going to be signed in right now. So here we are. So now I have this Gemini Enterprise, which would allow me to do whatever I want to do. So right now, what you can do now is to invite people. So you could come to your settings. So when you see your settings right here, you see personalization, you see admin settings. So I want you to come to admin settings right now. So having to come to admin settings, you'll be able to invite people. So you'll be able to invite other mails of yours. So now you're going to come to your team, and here in your team you have just 1 out of 15. So you can get more users. You can actually invite more people to come use this with you, or you can invite other emails of yours to come use this with you. So I could invite Belad Adejigbe at gmail.com. Okay, so enter email address and you separate it comma. So we're going to add more Belad creative studio.com at gmail.com. Okay, so we have this. So I'm going to nest this for now. So we're going to send invites to this other two seats. So right now we just sent invites to this other two people, so you could make them user or admin. So once you have these two pending invites, they can accept or choose not to accept. But back to the main thing that brought us here. So let's check the billing right now. So the billing of this, what is the actual amount? The actual amount is actually $21. And look at everything that comes with it. So you can get AI summaries and analysis, Google Grade search across your connected apps, expect pre-built. Okay, so we have all this 25 gigabyte data per user pooled. Okay, so standard security, admin control, AI actions, and every other thing is right here. So you can actually do all this right now. So let's see how we can use it to generate video, of course. So now we're going to go back to the main interface of the Gemini Enterprise. So this Gemini Enterprise now would allow you to do anything you want to do. So you have your search Google, you have Canvas, you have generate images, and you have create videos with Veo. All you have to do is to click on the create videos with Veo, and you can describe the video you want. You can describe whatever you want. You can actually create something out of this. So let me upload a logo. So I'll just say I want to, okay, so let me get something to do. So let's see this. Let's do something like this and say create a video of this character making moves at people on the street, distributing flyers for Belad Tech Academy scholarship program. So let's create a video right now. So all you have to do is to create a video right away, and this way you get to create a video. You don't need a credit card, you don't need any verification. All you have to do is just to create a Gemini Enterprise account, and you can create as many as you want to create. You can invite up to 15 members to your Gemini as well. So these are ways you can actually create these Google Ultra account or Google Veo 3 that you can use to generate unlimited video and do other things Google related. So this is this for this, and let's generate our video right now. So now I'll be able to create a video which is an 8 seconds video, so you could not actually see
Belad Tech Academy, we have a scholarship program for you.
Okay, so the only
Belad Tech Academy.
The only disadvantage to this is that you cannot create a portrait video except you define it in your prompts. That is just that. That's the only disadvantage to this. You can't create a portrait video directly. That means you cannot select an aspect ratio, or you can generate videos if you have a good prompt. So that is this for this. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.